Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds Energy System Style 4. And firstly I will show you how to call it by default, and then I will show you how to customize gestures and add this feature for another gesture. Now, by default, firstly I will show you where touch area is located, and touch area is located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top. So, you need to press 3 times at your left or right earbud. Let's check firstly the right one. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I just called the Siri. What about the left one? 1, 2, 3. Did we... Okay, let me press again. 1, 2, 3. Or maybe I will put it to my ear. Or maybe the problem is this earbud just disconnected from my phone. One, two, 3. Yeah, and as you can see, it also works. Now, how to customize it? You need to open a Smart Connect application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and then go to the custom controls. So right here, as you can see, it's set for the triple press, but we can add it for the double press, single press, or press and hold. It's up to you. Let's say I want to add it for the left earbud for the double press. So I click at this line with the left earbud in the double press and select Voice Assistant. Now let's check it. So 1, 2. And it worked also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!